Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. AssalamuAlaikum. My name is Sharifur Rahman Khan. I am studying at the University of Peshawar in Computer Science. Now today we are discussing about how to back up our WhatsApp account in any phone. So let's start. First of all, open WhatsApp on your Android phone. Then click on the three dots. They are located at the top right corner on the screen. And tap on Setting in the drop down menu. On WhatsApp settings screen, tap on the chat options. On the chat screen, tap on Chat Backup. Then choose any Google account. Select your Google account. For backup our option, select Wi-Fi only or Wi-Fi and cellular. Then tap on Backup Google Drive. You can select daily, monthly, weekly in your own choice. I select weekly. Then tap on Backup green button. You can start your WhatsApp backup. It's starting uploading your backup to Google Drive. It takes some time to back up your all data, depend on your data size. Thank you, friends.